Faceless YouTube automation channels like this are making at least $50,000 a month. In this video, I'm also going to break down how you can set up something similar. We'll be using AI tools that handle most of the work for you, so you can do this without any experience and without any skills. By the end of this video, you'll have the know-how to create videos, build your channel, and start on a path to real, scalable income, even as a complete beginner. I've linked all helpful tools and useful resources in the description below, so be sure to check those out to save some time and for any exclusive discounts. Let's get started. Step 1, understand the niche. We're going to be focusing on the scary stories niche, one of my personal favorites. You're probably wondering, of all the niches you could choose, why focus here? The answer is simple. This niche is popular, the videos are easy to produce, and the audience is huge. People love scary stories, whether it's urban legends, creepypastas, true ghost encounters, or anything that keeps them up at night. The great thing about this niche is that it's evergreen. A good scary story will still be watched years after you upload it because people are always looking for something to spook them, especially around Halloween or late at night. Another reason this niche is perfect is that it doesn't require high-end visuals or complicated editing. You're not trying to create an action-packed vlog or cinematic masterpiece. Instead, it's all about the mood. Dark, eerie visuals with a simple narration over the top work perfectly. This means you can keep your production costs and effort low while still putting out content that people want to watch. Step 2, come up with video ideas. And this part might seem tricky at first, but it's actually straightforward if you know where to look. Start by searching for successful channels in the scary stories niche. Look at the videos they've uploaded and pay close attention to which ones have the highest views. These are the types of videos people are already clicking on, so they're a great place to start. You're not copying their work, you're modeling their success. For example, if you notice that a channel's video about haunted new houses is performing well, you can create your own version with a different angle or focus on a specific region. To take it further, you can use tools like VidIQ to analyze these videos in more detail. You can use VidIQ's site and download their free Chrome extension to check out your competition better. VidIQ will show you the keywords and tags that their videos are ranking for, which helps you understand how they're getting discovered. Once you've got a general idea, you can brainstorm more specific topics using AI tools like ChatGPT. Let's say you found a video about haunted forests. You can ask ChatGPT to come up with similar ideas by giving a prompt like, "Give me scary story ideas that loosely follow the concept of a haunted forest." The key is to stay within the same niche, but bring your unique spin to it. Step 3, create your video using AI. Now let's move on to the actual video creation process. I use InVideo AI for this part of the process. If you're not familiar with it, InVideo AI is a platform that makes video production incredibly simple, even if you have zero experience. Once you sign up for an account, you'll be able to choose from different workflows depending on the type of video you want to create. Pick YouTube video. You can do YouTube Shorts as well, which is fine for experimenting, but if you're serious about growing your channel, aim for the longer YouTube videos, around 10 minutes at least. Longer videos keep viewers engaged for more time, which helps with YouTube's algorithm. The platform rewards videos with higher watch time by recommending them to more viewers, which is what we want. Now, it's time to write a prompt for the AI. Think of the prompt as your set of instructions. Be specific about what you want. For example, if you're creating a video about haunted houses, you could write, "Create a suspenseful video about the top 5 most haunted houses in America." The more details you provide, the better the results. You can get more specific by filling out all of the details underneath where you can describe the background music you want, language, type of footage, and so on. The aim here is to make the video scary, so you want to fill out the details accordingly. Once you've done this, just click on Generate. Now, InVideo will analyze your instructions, come up with a title for your video, write a script for you, generate a voiceover, and then put everything together with footage to create the final video. You can tweak the results to make sure they fit your vision. For scary stories, you'll want visuals that match the tone. Think foggy forests, dimly lit rooms, and abandoned buildings. InVideo lets you search through stock footage providers like iStock to find exactly what you need if they don't. The next step is fine-tuning. Review and then adjust the AI-generated voice to make it sound more dramatic or natural, depending on what you're going for. Add subtitles to keep viewers engaged, especially since a lot of people watch videos with the sound off. And make sure the pacing of the story feels just right. You want to build suspense and keep viewers hooked until the very end. Step 4. Translate your video. Once you've finished your video in English, don't stop there. You can actually prompt in video to translate your video into multiple languages. This is brilliant because it lets you reach entirely new audiences without creating extra content. For example, you can translate your scary story into German, Spanish, or French and upload it to separate channels dedicated to those languages. This massively increases your reach and increases your chances of going viral in different markets. Think about it. You're essentially multiplying your content without multiplying your workload. Horror stories are universal. Everyone loves a good scare, no matter what language they speak. And with NVIDIA AI handling the translation, it's quick and easy to set up. Step 5. Publish your video. Once your video is ready, the final step is exporting and uploading it to YouTube. Make sure to export in high quality. 1080 pixels is the standard, and remove any watermarks. Your video should look professional, even if it was created using AI. When you're uploading, pay attention to your title and thumbnail. These are the first things people see, so they need to grab attention. Use interesting titles like The True Story of a Haunted House That Terrified an Entire Town. And make sure that the titles have strong keywords, which you can find from your VidIQ research, and which NVIDIA can recommend too. For thumbnails, I recommend using pixels. You just type in the thumbnail that you'd like, and Pixels will generate a viral thumbnail from your prompt. Or you can copy and paste the link of a YouTube video whose thumbnail you like, and Pixels will create an original thumbnail for you based on the thumbnail you want to clone. There are tons of cool features on here, and they're all part of why Pixels is the only AI thumbnail generator I use. Use the link in the description to check this tool out. It will change everything for you. Step 6. Monetize your channel. To start earning money on YouTube, you'll need to hit 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 hours of watch time. This might sound like a lot, but it's entirely doable in the scary stories niche. These types of videos have high engagement rates because people love to binge watch them. One good video can bring in hundreds of hours of watch time on its own. Aside from YouTube ads, you can include affiliate links in your video descriptions, promoting products like horror books or gear for ghost hunters. You could also set up a Patreon account where fans can support you in exchange for exclusive content, like early access to new videos or behind-the-scenes updates. Some creators even sell their own digital products, like ebooks of their favorite scary stories. The beauty of this system is how scalable it is. Once you've got the process down, you can rinse and repeat. Create more videos, expand into other niches like true crime or paranormal investigations, or even hire help to speed up production. With AI tools handling most of the heavy lifting, your main focus is coming up with fresh ideas and building your audience. If you've been looking for a way to make money online without showing your face or spending hours editing, this is it. Start small, learn the ropes, and keep improving. The potential here is massive, and the only thing standing between you and success is taking that first step. Do you watch scary story videos? What do you think about this niche? Let me know in the comments. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this.